I'm going to give you two definitions of boundary setting that I really like. The first one is mine. Um, Plug. I came up with this when I was writing the book, but essentially it's saying no to people, places, and things that drain you of your power and or distract you from your purpose. So just to break that down a little bit for you, what do you think of when you think of the words power? Your power. Uh, Again, I'm going to come up with answers that I've heard over and over and over again when I ask this all over the different audiences I speak to, but it is the things that I kind of just mentioned. It's peace, your peace, your mental well-being, your physical well-being, your health, your body. It is your power, your confidence, your energy, right? If we are energetic beings, then we need to protect that energy, that chi, that prana that lives and keeps us alive and vibrant. Okay, so that's your power. And then your purpose. For the sake of this definition, we don't need to get into, what's my life's purpose? Oh my God, I don't know what it is yet. Yes, you do. Okay. You have a general idea of where you want your life to go. I'm assuming that. And if you don't, I'm going to need you to come in January when I offer again the digital vision board workshop, which I do actually now twice a year. I do it in January so you can envision what your life, design your life, essentially what you want it to look like 3 years from now so you can create the year ahead. And then we do it in June. So kind of like a mid-year realignment, because it really is just about setting up that vision and aligning your energy with it, right? Your energy, where you invest your energy, your time, your resources, etc. So again, just for the sake of this episode, just think of your purpose as your North Star vision. What's pulling you forward, right? What's getting you out of bed these days? What does your life look like 1, 3, 5, 10 years from now? And again, you don't have to have everything mapped out. Just how does it feel? How do you want to feel in your life? Empowered, powerful, confident, happy, joyful, peaceful. What's that like? And now think about anything that's distracting you from that vision. What is distracting you from your North Star vision, your purpose, your mission in life? Those are the places that we need to start putting more powerful boundaries in place. Make sense? All right, moving on. The second definition that I like is by Elizabeth Gilbert. She is the author of Eat, Pray, Love. So good. And I saw this written somewhere, so I didn't actually hear her say it, but I've been quoting her. And she says basically that boundary setting is like, it's drawing a golden circle around things that matter to you. And you say everything inside this circle is sacred. And here's where I'm going to riff on that, which is, okay, and now you have to protect it, right? So what do you consider sacred? Again, the answers people come up with usually very quickly is family, right? Relationships, friends, loved ones. Maybe it is your work, your career, if you care so much about it like I do, right? I want to protect that at all costs because it lights me up. It gives me more energy. It fuels me. It keeps me going forward. It is really up there on my North Star vision. It's the impact that I'm hopefully able to have on the world. I want to protect that. Energy, time, what else? Peace, confidence, right? All the things, there can be lots and lots of similar answers to what I asked you before about what is your power. Now, what do you want to protect? Okay, what do you need to put in that golden circle and make sure you protect it at all costs?